DoorDash drivers frequently encounter a frustrating technical issue where they become stuck on the pause screen, unable to resume their delivery sessions and accept new orders. This issue manifests when drivers attempt to resume their dash, but find themselves trapped in the pause screen interface, effectively blocking their ability to earn income. The pause screen issue typically stems from three primary causes: network connectivity problems, corrupted app cache data, or synchronization failures between your device and DoorDash servers. Here are three proven, immediate solutions you can try right now to resolve the pause screen issue. The first and most effective solution is to force close the DoorDash app completely, wait 30 seconds, then reopen it. This method has a 70% success rate according to driver forums. The second solution involves resetting your network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to clear any network-related conflicts. The third solution focuses on GPS synchronization. Disable and re-enable location permissions for DoorDash in your phone settings to ensure proper GPS synchronization with DoorDash servers. These three immediate solutions address the most common causes of the DoorDash pause screen issue and can get you back to earning quickly. When basic fixes don't resolve the DoorDash pause screen issue, we need to use more advanced troubleshooting methods and implement prevention strategies. The first advanced method is clearing your app cache on Android devices. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts with the pause function. For iPhone users, the equivalent process is offloading the app. This removes the app but keeps your data, then reinstalls it fresh when you tap the icon again. If cache clearing doesn't work, try logging out and back into your DoorDash account. This refreshes your session data and can resolve server synchronization issues. Storage space is critical for app performance. If you see low storage warnings like this, clear space immediately to prevent app crashes and pause screen issues. For persistent problems that resist all troubleshooting, contact DoorDash support directly. They can reset your session on the server side, which resolves 99% of remaining issues. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. The most effective strategy is restarting the DoorDash app every 4 to 6 hours during long shifts. This clears temporary data before it can cause problems. Avoid pausing during peak server load times, especially between 5 and 8 p.m. when dinner orders surge. During these periods, use the end dash feature instead of pause for extended breaks. Finally, optimize your device by closing unnecessary background apps and maintaining battery levels above 20%. Low battery can cause the system to limit app performance, leading to pause screen freezing. By following these advanced troubleshooting methods and prevention strategies, you can minimize DoorDash pause screen issues and maintain consistent earning potential during your delivery shifts.